Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day you're watching this video. This is Dr. Eric Tangumonkan with IAM Approach, where we inspire, equip, and motivate people to discover God's great potential in them, develop that potential, and deploy it. Do you have a dream? It's okay to dream. There is no cost to dreaming. Dream as big as you want. Dream beyond your wildest imagination. You need a dream. However, don't remain in dreamland. Don't remain in wonderland. Don't remain in neverland. You have to land. And the only way your dreams are going to come true is by you having a plan. Not just a plan, you need to set goals that are in alignment with your dreams. After you set those goals, you need to execute. You need to actually put in the sweat, the toil, and the energy, and the hard work. Yes, hard work. You're going to have to work hard. You are not just going to dream yourself into millions. You're not going to dream yourself into a good relationship. You're not going to dream yourself into a healthy body. You won't dream yourself to lose that weight. Yes. The last time you climbed on the scale, you are not happy with what you saw. What are you going to do about it? Keep wishful thinking that that weight will just disappear? Or you're trying to get a suction anointing to just suck it out? It's not going to work. You need to set some goals and get behind it. You may be dreaming to have a lot of money in your bank account. What is the goal? What are you doing daily for that to come to pass? Before we talk about anything else, let's talk about your health. It's under your control. You can do something about it. You sure can. It's hard, yes. So what? You can do it. You need to push yourself. It's not going to come easy. You have to push yourself. You need to reach out for help. And that's why we've been thinking about you. We had it in mind when this book was put together. 30 days of raw food, live food. It's going to reset your metabolism and revitalize your energy level and your health. Please stop complaining and making excuses. Have you tried this? You should. Help is available. Join us, and together, take back your health. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a fantastic day.